Traveling doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or productivity. Whether you're working from a cafe, a hotel desk, or an airport lounge, a good laptop stand can make all the difference. It improves your posture, gives you a more ergonomic setup, and keeps your workflow smooth no matter where you are. With so many options available, we've tested the best to help you find one that's sturdy, portable, and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Number 1. Adhesive Laptop Stand. The Moft Adhesive Laptop Stand reminds us a lot of the kinds of cover cases you typically see used with tablets. It sticks to your laptop and folds out origami style to form a wedge that props the base. Admittedly, it's neat-looking and very clever, considering the simple geometry its design relies on. What's more is that it's a very low-profile and hassle-free solution, since it sticks to your laptop via a residue-free adhesive, meaning you don't have to take it off once you're done doing work. This design offers a very stable base that withstood our shake test really well. However, its limitations are soon apparent as we struggle to get better viewing angles. The Moft Adhesive Laptop Stand can only really elevate your laptop's rear by 2 or 3 inches, angling the device forward by a few degrees, but that's about it. There's no height adjustment, so you're still mostly going to be angling your laptop's display through its built-in hinge. Number 2. Huanuo Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Huanuo Adjustable Laptop Stand isn't the most packable stand on our list. In fact, it's probably bigger than most laptops it's designed to hold, regardless of the lightweight and portable claims on its marketing materials. It's really more of a pad with a lip at the end that stops your laptop from completely sliding off. Where its strength lies, however, is with those 2 huge cushions it has underneath. As you can imagine, these pillow-like paddings make the Huanuo Adjustable Laptop Stand quite comfortable on the lap. On a desk, however, it's not going to do as well. With only that lip holding the laptop in place, the device can slide around rather easily. And while there are several levels of elevation, it only angles your laptop forward, so the extra high provided will mostly come from the stand's thickness. In other words, you're still mostly relying on your laptop's display to get a comfortable viewing angle. Number 3. Foldable Laptop Stand. This laptop stand kind of reminds us of the Pixar lamp because of its overall shape and hinges. Whereas other laptop stands have pegs and notches, the RIWT foldable laptop stand is essentially a giant platform that allows you to dial in your preferred height and angle adjustments thanks to those hinges. There are no locks to hold the adjustments in place, which makes us a bit worried in case the hinges go loose over time. At the time of writing, though, they work just fine. In fact, we were initially surprised at how secure it felt, enough so that our primary tester called over nearby teammates for a quick demonstration of how little the laptop moved when shaken. Both the base and the surface where you place your laptop have silicone surfaces that make this a notably stable platform for your laptop. The drawback? Packability. Completely folded down, the 2 prongs that stop your laptop from falling off still jut out. Number 4. Nilkin Bolster Plus Portable Stand. The Nilkin Bolster Plus Portable Stand functions more as add-on legs that stick to the bottom of your laptop than a monolithic stand its name implies. This isn't bad per se, as this introduces a few perks, such as very good packability. You don't even have to take them off once you're done working. Simply fold the legs back into the modules and slip your laptop back into your bag. As you can imagine, though, such a small package is not without its caveats. The modules each have 2 feet, one short and one long, with the long legs able to angle at 2 positions. This gives you a total of 2 viewing angles, which may not be enough for heavy users who spend hours working at their laptop. In the end, we still ended up angling the display on the laptop itself for the final adjustments and fine-tuning, with the modules providing some aid by elevating the laptop's backside. Number 5. Amazon Basics Rectangular Adjustable Computer Monitor Riser Desk Stand. Though this one has a mouthful of a name, its resemblance to a table makes it a straightforward laptop stand. Your laptop goes on its flat surface, while elevation is provided by its large legs. Included are extenders that you can add and remove from the legs as needed. This provides you with 3 levels of height adjustment, but no means of adjusting the angle of your laptop. That's still dependent on your laptop display's hinge. The laptop stand itself stays pretty stable thanks to rubberized tips along its legs. However, your laptop can slide freely as the surface has no grips and is just a plain surface.